Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you copy a crosshair in Valorant. In order to copy a crosshair in Valorant, you need to be spectating the player whose crosshair you want to copy. This means being dead and choosing to spectate them. Now likewise, then you have to go and press enter on your keyboard to open the in-game chats. After which you just have to type in /crosshair copy or /cc in the chat and press enter. Now then you want to go to the settings tab and you simply want to go ahead and select crosshair and select newly copied crosshair from the profile list. The game will save this as a new profile, and that is how you could copy your crosshair in Valorant. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.